Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. Princess Anne has made a notable return to the hospital, echoing the recent actions of Kate Middleton, the Princess of Wales. This visit not only highlights the importance of gratitude in the face of adversity, but also underscores the royal family's commitment to acknowledging the healthcare professionals who play a vital role in their lives. The Princess Royal visited Southmead Hospital to express her heartfelt thanks to the medical team that treated her after her accident in June 2024. This visit comes shortly after Kate Middleton made an emotional trip back to the hospital where she received treatment for cancer last month. Both royal engagements serve as poignant reminders of the challenges they have faced and the importance of showing appreciation for those who provide care during difficult times. During her visit, Princess Anne confirmed that she spent time in intensive care and took the opportunity to thank the staff for their exceptional care. She acknowledged how they filled in the gaps during her recovery, demonstrating her appreciation for the dedication and skill of the healthcare workers. Royal expert Rebecca English noted the significance of this visit, stating, "We all knew this was a serious incident, but her determination to go back and thank the hospital confirms just how much it was." While speaking with the hospital staff, Princess Anne reflected on her experience, saying, "Sadly, I don't have huge memories of being in here. I just know I was really well looked after." This sentiment resonates deeply, as it highlights the often overlooked emotional journey of patients who may not remember every detail but are profoundly aware of the care they received. According to the palace, Southmead Hospital serves a local population of 750,000 and is recognized as a major research center and teaching trust. This hospital not only provides essential healthcare services, but also plays a significant role in medical education and research, making it an integral part of the community. During her visit, the princess toured the intensive care unit and the multi-faith space known as the sanctuary, engaging with both staff and patients. This interaction fosters a sense of connection and appreciation, reminding everyone of the human side of healthcare. Princess Anne's visit, alongside Kate Middleton's recent engagement, reflects a broader royal commitment to acknowledging the hard work of healthcare professionals. These acts of gratitude serve to inspire others to recognize the importance of compassion and care in their own lives, reinforcing a message of solidarity and appreciation for those who dedicate themselves to helping others in times of need. As the royal family continues to engage with the community in meaningful ways, their actions resonate with many, highlighting the importance of gratitude and connection in the face of adversity. Thanks for watching till the end.